Here's my main freezer that I have in the home, in my kitchen. I have managed to keep this organized and down to just what I'm going to use rather than just keep piling and not being able to find anything. So I am very happy with this. I have managed to maintain it since we bought it, and that is huge for me. Okay, so finally here is the Aldi haul. Those raviolis, I've already cooked them up. We had them for dinner. I did use the two boxes in the same dish. One is original beef and the other one is 4 cheese. Now I definitely would buy the original beef again, but I wouldn't buy the 4 cheese. It's okay, but I don't like it enough to buy it again. But I definitely did like the original beef. And then as you saw in the upload before this one, I did also buy 2 boxes of pierogies that I showed in my freezer clip. So I didn't bother taking those out because I've already showed it. And then I got some buns because I have some chicken I'm going to turn into chicken salad that I made at another time. So I'm going to go ahead and revamp that and turn it into some chicken salad. I only got 1 can of these beans because they were 65 cents, and I can buy them 2 for $1 at Stop and Shop when they have their beans on sale. So I just got this one just in case I needed it before the sale. And then these are supposed to be like knockoff Mentos. So I picked this up, and I'm going to put it away for my son for part of his Easter stuff. And then I guess they have, I don't know if this is their brand, but it's definitely, you know, a different brand, knockoff brand, I don't know, at Aldi's for Hawaiian rolls. And I figured I'd give these a try because I make those sliders quite a bit. And of course, these were cheaper, so if they're just as good, why not? And then I got some Gouda shredded cheese. I opened that up this morning. I made some wraps for breakfast, and I freeze it. I freeze the cheese. I actually prefer working with it frozen. These veggie burgers I've also already had. How many is in the pack? There's 4. I believe I've already had 2. They're good. I like them. I would buy them again. And then I got this mozzarella. It's marinated cheese here. I'm going to use that probably not like a chicken cordon bleu, but sort of like a chicken dish like that. Maybe I will put ham, I don't know, but that definitely looks really good, so I'll be using that for a chicken dish. And then here is just some mushrooms. I froze them already. They freeze perfectly, and I just use them as I need them, and it saves it from going bad. And the brown rice also that you would have previously seen on the upload before this one, I've already used all that. So yeah, just a few things from Aldi's. Again, not a full shopping haul. I really still need to do a full grocery shopping, especially on meats, because I used up everything that I had. But a quick trip to Aldi, this is what I came out with. I forgot about this one too. I also picked this one up at Aldi. Even though I was at Price Right just yesterday, I find myself going into Walmart right now because once I got home, it seems like everything that I went for we kind of needed, or my son was out of, or you know how that goes. So I'm going to go into Walmart now and do a little bit of grocery shopping. Just try to stick to my list again, get exactly what I need, because again, you know, I want to buy stuff that's on sale. I want to get back to my routine. I mean, what's the point of doing a challenge to save money when you're just going to throw it all away? So let's see. So here's what I ended up with. I got myself some more greens because I used the rest last night. I grabbed 3 of these because I like to have these just like quick backups, and I usually can only find them at Walmart and rarely at Market Basket. So when I do find them, I like to pick up quite a bit. So I got 3 of those, and I'll just throw that in my backup refrigerator. I grabbed this because the one I have from Dollar Tree didn't seem to last that long. So let's see if this one's $1.24. Let's see if I can get a little better quality. I don't know. We'll see. Grabbed a can of black beans. These are 72 cents. I only grabbed one because I can get that cheaper than 72 cents, but I always like to have them on hand, so I grabbed one. I wanted 2 of these. These are so popular. They go so fast. But they only had 1 left. I wanted 2, so I grabbed the one they had. I grabbed some more brown rice because, believe it or not, I already went through the one that I grabbed at Aldi. And then here, grabbed some more milk. Was going to get 2 boxes of Cocoa Pebbles, but they only had 1. I don't know. I guess Cocoa Pebbles is in hot demand right now. And then don't these look so delicious? I've been craving strawberry milk. So this one is chocolate strawberry, and this one's just straight up strawberry. And I got these for my son. He wants these as breakfast. Denny gets the birthday cake all the time, and he really liked it when he tried it, so I got him 2 of those. I got him a peanut butter one, a chocolate chip cookie dough one, and a cookies and cream one to see if he likes them. He leaves for school really early in the morning, so I think that'll work out for him if that's something that he ends up liking. Like I said, I know he liked the birthday cake, and yes, this is it. I am out the door before I find something else in the store that I want to buy, and we all know how easy that is. And just like that, $43 later, we have some groceries. Now I'm going to do my savings catcher on Walmart.com, well, the app, just in case any of this was on sale. You'll get some money back. The last time I used it, I got like $5 and change back, so it's definitely worth using it. So if you don't have it on your phone, I recommend you get it. Look at that sky. Oh, how beautiful. The camera isn't doing it justice. Oh my gosh, it looks like the sky is on fire. Oh, that's so pretty. I took that brown rice and added it into this container, and now I just cut out the instructions and I'm going to put it in the drawer, so when I use it I'll remember it, because I can't stand those pesky boxes that pesky little critters can get into. It's Valentine's Day, and it's all about the desserts at my house. And since it is Valentine's Day, I just wanted to show you the simple few little things that I got for Denny and AJ. I got this at Starbucks. It's their Valentine's Day cake pops. Aren't they adorable? It's a 6-pack for $10.50. I didn't think that was bad. I just thought it was so cute. And the girl that sold it to me, she actually put it together and she took a picture of it. She loved it herself. So I thought that was a cute little idea. And then for AJ, he did buy some kind of video game. Not so much a game, but some addition to whatever he does on his games on Xbox. I can't remember if it was like $10 or $15. He asked me for it, and I said that would be part of his Valentine gift. So just to finish it off, I just got him some of these Sour Patch conversation hearts. I think that is so adorable. And then a scratch ticket. I did the same for Denny. I got him a scratch ticket. I got him this big Crunch Bar and these Junior Mints. And this is for, well, of course, I'll have some too. But these are for Denny and AJ to share, and of course they will be sharing with me too. And I don't know what I'm getting, but I did ask for cheesecake. Yep, it's all about the desserts in this house. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh, and tonight we'll be spending Valentine's Day night at AJ's championship game. This is his last year in that league. He's now reached the age where he won't continue on next year, and it's a championship game. So He might be walking away with the championship. I mean, what a way to go. You know, talk about going out with a bang. Valentine's Day and a championship. So, you know, wish us luck. All right, bye.